Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we're going to teach you how you can enable notifications inside your Asana account you receive via Slack. For example, if a new task or project has been completed, or if a team member of yours has submitted a work or a task, and you may enable these notifications to receive via Slack or in your Slack account. So let's get started right away. Head over to Asana, and this is actually very simple. What you will need to do, guys, is click on your profile icon in the top right, and here select settings. Also make sure that you have selected the right workspace here. So if you'd like to work on that workspace and get notified for it, then simply make sure that it is selected. You will see it by that checkmark icon here. So head over to workspace settings, and here at the top switch from the profile tab to the notifications tab, and here under Slack notifications simply click on that arrow down icon to expand these options and go through these notifications to manage them, for example, to enable or to disable them. If you'd like to get, for example, notified via Slack of updates on your work, simply enable it or select the checkbox here. Select this one for communications and for collaboration summaries and so on and so forth. So simply go through these notifications, guys. If you don't see that option here, Slack notifications, that may be because you haven't linked your Slack account with your Asana account yet. So if you haven't done that yet, guys, simply head over to the apps tab here at the top, and here you will see all authorized apps. As you can see, I have already authorized Slack, so I get these notifications from Asana via Slack. If you don't receive these notifications, guys, you may add Slack simply to your authorized apps. To do that, simply click on see all apps here, or if you already see Slack here, you may connect it directly. So guys, click on see all apps here and simply go through that list of available applications. And once you encounter Slack, simply click on it and go through the connection or linking process. It is actually rocket science, guys. As you can see, I can only install Slack for Asana on my device, but if you haven't connected your Slack account with your Asana account yet, you will be simply given the opportunity to click on connect here and to give Slack the permission to link it with Asana. It's actually a matter of 1 or 2 clicks. So it is very simple, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.